Hello! In this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on Xreal Beam Pro. So you have to start by powering off your device, so press power button and volume up button at the same time to open power menu and then choose power off. Now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume down button at the same time. And here you have to select recovery mode by using volume buttons and then press power button to select. And you are now in recovery mode, and here you have to use volume buttons to navigate and power button to select. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.